how can we make a better return on our business? By creating better cash flow, increasing our profit along the way, and increasing the value of our business at sale time. They typically end up being the three things that people look towards, and the three things that influence our wealth in retirement. If we can prove those three things, creating better cash flow, creating better profit, and increasing the value of our business at sale time, I'm guaranteed that you'll all have a much, much better business. One of the key things that I do want to talk about today is the growth equation. And this equals understanding the key drivers in your business. Existing customers times net return gives you your return customers. New customers multiplied by the percentage conversion rate gives you your new customers. So if we're looking at new customers plus our return customers, that gives us our occupancy rate. What two things can you do today to improve your occupancy? Can you improve the percentage of guests returning? Can you improve the funnel which new customers are going to contact you at? Can you improve the way in which you convert those new customers to new customer that actually come and stay in your building, giving you occupancy percentages? Key drivers that we need to consider: the number of visits a customer comes per year. How do we improve that? How do we get people to come back to us more and more times every year? How can we improve the length of their stay and the average spend per stay? What strategies can we implement today that can improve those key drivers in our business? When we communicate with potential repeat clients, do we create an awesome experience? While with you, do they have a great time? And after they stay with you, do we contact them and do we talk to them about their experience with us? Do they get things like a card in the mail the day after they get home from you saying, you know, we wish we had a great time and we wish you would come back and stay with us again? What can we do to increase the repeat guests, and what strategies can we implement to make sure that happens? Do we want more new clients? Well, if so, how do we create a great marketing plan which increases our leads every time we put that marketing plan in place? It has to be a plan that gives you new leads and allows you to convert them into new clients. So think about that situation and how we can improve the more new clients coming to your business. Sales training for the team. How can we improve that situation with your current team? Does someone specifically need some sales training? And if so, where do we get that? That will allow us to convert more of our leads at a better rate to occupancy. And that is the key to the game. Increased specials, increased offers, increased events. Do you know what events are in your area every month and every week? And if so, do we promote those to our guests who have stayed with us before, which may mean that they might come back again sooner to see an event, whether it be the rugby, whether it be the league, whether it be golf, whether it be basketball or netball, something that is in your area that brings people back. It might be an art show, it might be the theatre, it could be anything, but it's very, very crucial that we look at those events and we keep people posted about what events are coming up, because people forget and they may need that friendly reminder. And the communication with you, if not invasive, the clients will appreciate being aware of what is going on in your area. Increased awareness of the actual amount per day that people are spending in your area. What is your point of difference, POD? And if you have a point of difference, let's incorporate that in your great marketing plan, which will mean that you can get an increased dollar per night. I've got clients who have specific points of difference from the market who right throughout the GFC increased their business rather than had it retract. This is a key part of your marketing that you need to unlock. we need to have a marketing plan, and that marketing plan needs to be set out, like you can see on the screen at the moment, month by month. And we need to make sure that we capture things like the list of events, what's happening now, what specials are we running, and upcoming promotional events and specials. Things that we can track every month and put in play. At the end of the day, marketing is about consistency. If we can be consistent with our marketing, we can have a fantastic marketing plan that will improve our business. What are the marketing pillars? Do you need to call an expert in to help you with your marketing? It may just be a few times that this person needs to work with you to get a great marketing plan set up, and then you can drive it out into your marketplace. But if you don't know what you don't know, you may not realize some of the things that you need to look at for that marketing plan. The evils of discounting is a fairly strong heading to use here, but if you don't understand the effects of discounting, you can lose profit. A lot of people aren't aware that if you drop your prices by 10% today, there will be a dramatic impact on your bottom line. You will need an extra 20% in sales to make the same profit if you drop those prices by 10% today to make the same profit. That's pretty hard to do. What we really need to do is not focus so much on price, which is easy to say given the market is very price driven and people have changed their holidaying habits. However, if you stick out in the crowd, that will still guarantee you occupancy. I guarantee that because I have clients who stick out in the crowd and year after year post fantastic numbers. Work out what is your point of difference and how you can stick out in the crowd. Then incorporate that into your marketing, your specials and all of those sorts of things, and watch people come to your business. Basically, an increased valuation for your business is the goal. And the only way to ensure that we have an increased valuation is to focus your time on the key drivers and marketing that we've just spoken about. Your business will be in better shape. It will have a great organisation and transparency for any buyer who comes to look at your business. This should transfer to increased profits, cash flow and valuation, which will mean that at the end of the day, your business sells for what you're after. The valuers always note that certainty equals value. How do we make sure that your business has more rigor and has more certainty around the profits? And that will certainly transfer into better multiples with an equal higher value for you in the sales process. When you're looking to use your advisors to their best capacity, are you simply paying your accountant to do tax returns every year, or are you seeking out your accountant to assist you with benchmarking, doing a health check on your business, understanding your business and helping you through advisory meetings? Now, this might be quarterly, 6 monthly or monthly. With our better clients, we are working through a business advisory plan where we meet regularly and we discuss how their business can be improved. Do you have an annual tax report that actually explains the tax situation? Most people can't read their tax reports when they get that. So you really need to sit with your accountant and have an annual tax report discussed with you. Strategic advisory discussion. Do you have a 3 to 5 year strategic plan? And if not, why not? Because that is the roadmap that you need to get the success that you want out of your business. Estate planning. Do you have your wills and enduring powers of attorney planned out? If not, you need to look at that. It's very important, particularly if you have a blended family after previously being divorced. So that is very crucial. Do you know what's going to happen to your money if you pass away? If not, we need to look at estate planning as a key crucial thing on your plan to get that ticked off to ensure that everything that you want to have happen happens. Have you got correct investment advice from your advisor? And do you understand your superannuation, what options you have available and what that superannuation is doing currently? Look for a one-stop shop with a trusted advisor. So our clients benefit from all of those things if they choose to accept that advice. So our best clients do look at most of those things on that list we've just spoken through, and I think that everyone really needs to spend some time looking at. Thank you for your attention today. My name's Damien Moffrey from Baker Affleck Moffrey Chartered Accountants. We specialise in management rights, hotels, motels and caravan parks. If you do want any further information on what we've discussed today, please don't hesitate to contact me. You have my phone number and email address on the screen in front of you at present. So any questions that you may have that comes out of today, please don't hesitate to give me a call and we can discuss them. Look forward to speaking with you, and good luck out there in your business.